If you're from Indiana, it's likely you've tried at least some version of today's recipe. Howard shows us how to make a sugar cream pie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Today, we're making a dessert that's believed to have originated in Indiana back in the mid-1800s. Story has it that this pie was born out of necessity when apples were scarce, yet the basic ingredients of this pie were still plentiful. And judging by the popularity of the sugar cream pie, it proves that good taste never goes out of style. To make it, all we do is combine some flour, brown and white sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a bit of salt. Once that's mixed, we add in some heavy cream, half and half, and a splash of vanilla. Now, we mix this well and pour it into a pie crust. I actually like to set my pie plate on a baking sheet just in case it sloshes over the sides when I carry it to the oven. You know, this pie is often confused with a custard pie, but let me tell you, they're not the same thing, because a true custard pie has eggs in it and this doesn't. After this comes out of the oven, we finish it with some cinnamon sugar before letting it cool. Then get ready for a super creamy, super rich pie that has stood the test of time. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our sugar cream pie, or as some call it, Who's Your Pie. And when it's this good, it really doesn't matter what you call it. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
We can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4 state market prices.